At ALERON Fire Protection, we are fire stopping and fire door surveying specialists. Our company is an expert in fire containment solutions. Our surveying process is thorough and efficient. We arrive with your blueprints in hand, carefully examining each fire door location throughout your building. Our trained surveyors conduct a systematic walkthrough, inspecting every fire door, wall penetration, and service void. We document each area requiring attention with precise measurements and detailed photography. We don't just identify problems, we provide certified solutions that bring your building into full compliance with the latest technical standards and regulations. From schools and hospitals to commercial buildings, our team has the expertise to make your building safe and compliant. ALERON Fire Protection, securing your property against fire.